gorgeous. You should see me in it. Can't wait to walk in it.
This is your first time in New York?
First time overseas.
And you're from Zambia?
That's right. So I was already modeling 2 years before I actually entered the contest.
To be selected as Mnet Face of Africa is a very, very big deal.
Yeah. Your whole life is about to change.
And she will be on the Arise fashion show. It's a very well respected, the Arise fashion show here in New York, and it'll be in the midst of all the fashion week, and every press in the world will be here. I'm just very delighted to have Lukhonda here in New York, and obviously we were going to help her as much as we can.
There are 3 designer looks here for the fashion show, and what we're doing with the first designer is that creating more of an ethereal look, fantasy-like around the eyes, almost alien-esque surrounding the eye with opalescent white. The second look is a very stark and heavy brow, and this is for Dela Segoy. Beautiful glowing skin once again, lots of contour, lots of shimmer. The other look is clean eyes, a nice nude lip, no color, maybe a little pink. So yeah, perfect. So we'll do that.
Sensuous.
Let's rock that.
Okay.
On the New York Fashion Week, and I must say it was really, really fun.